5016 glittering star. We have lots of oleanders. We have a couple of satellite dishes. So these oleanders really serve as like privacy. This is fake grass. That's something that we love. These palm trees are going to require some maintenance though. Not as much as the grass, typically. A couple little spots here. I don't know what they are, but so we have tile, a beautifully what looks like newly painted front door. We have a little kick thingy at the bottom. Oh, we have the correct 2.5 inch faux wood blinds on these first level windows. We don't have them on the picture windows, which is fine. We normally don't do those anyway. The paint color is really close to what we typically do. It's a little bit darker, but very close. So we have this nice sized bathroom. Kind of an older toilet, but it's nice and spacious. Raised panel doors, dated doorknobs, but it's probably not optimal that the laundry room is downstairs in a house this size, but it's okay. So we have an RO system, sorry, a water softener that we'd want to remove. We have another very large insulated something there, and the water heater is back here. Sorry, it's so dark. And we have a Chamberlain garage door opener. So we might want to remove the security system and do some touch-up paint there. There also needs to be a little touch-up paint here. I don't know what that was. Sort of dated dining room light, but it's not really bothering me too much. We have an awesome fireplace with tons of places to put the TV. We'll see what the property manager says about that fan with no light kit. This, and we'll also see what she has to say about this. This is one really wide window. And over here we do have faux wood blinds, but they're brown, not white. Really nice fridge. I guess it could stay. I mean, there's a little bit of space there on the side, but cabinets look okay. They're a little dirty at the bottom, but overall I think they're okay looking. And we have this guy. Now I think this backyard is really special. We already have concrete, we already have rocks, we have mature trees, which is very appealing to a lot of people. If you look across on the left there, we have really beautiful palm trees for a few houses. The right, not so much. We have one there, but either way, we have this large, spacious backyard that's already got mature landscaping, and it's really pretty. This little gate could use some paint. Okay, let's head upstairs. Typical closet. So the carpet looks new-ish, pretty new. Vertical blinds on that window. So we'll see what the property manager says about these windows. It already has treatment, so she may say it's okay and we can leave them. This is a large room. High ceilings, has closet door guides, There are no blinds in that window. So we would need to add tile in here. The question is, do we then want to carry the tile all through this hallway so we have a consistent flooring? We definitely need a blind in here. We cannot keep that. And this one does have a blind. We have a towel bar. Ouch. We need a blind in here as well. We had a little patchwork done. Looks like there's a TV mounted there. Okay, that's it.